Struggling to track task completion in Smartsheet? Learn how to add a checkbox column in under 2 minutes. First, we'll navigate to your sheet. Then, insert a new column and configure it as a checkbox. Finally, you'll see how to use it. Navigate to the Smartsheet homepage, where all your sheets are listed. Then, open the specific sheet where you want to add checkboxes. Right-click on the column header where you want the new checkbox column to appear. From the menu, choose Insert Column Right to add a new column. In the dialog that appears, enter a column name, for example, Done. For the column type, select Checkbox from the dropdown. You can also choose a style for the checkbox, like a star or flag. Once you're happy, click OK to create the column. A new checkbox column is now added to your sheet, ready to use. Click any checkbox to mark it as checked or unchecked. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.